killed us when we were trying to get a park. Crazy lady driving. I should have filmed it, like she was on a mission. Anyway, hello gorgeous people and welcome to this vlog. I'm getting looks because I'm not being road safe. So we're at the Sydney Fitness Expo and it's gonna be cool. I'm here mainly to see Tone Fitness apparel because they're a brand that I've been really wanting to check out for a while, and I was gonna buy something and then I just couldn't make up my mind on what I wanted because everything was so pretty. So I saw they were here and Mum was coming anyway, so I was like, oh, bring me along with you. And yeah, so we're here. So we're gonna have a browse at all the stuff that's here because there's so much, just everything fitness, and also find a tool. We gotta get the elevator.
They say that there's no such thing as fate, but I don't try.
This couch is so bloody comfy. My bed's not even this comfy. I just went to the bathroom because I've never had to pee so bad in my life. I drank like a 600ml bottle and a 1 litre and hadn't been to the toilet the whole time. I literally thought I was gonna pee myself if I laughed. So we are waiting for Mum and then we are gonna head in. So I think we've got to get our tickets like done or something. I'm not too sure. And then I know I've got to get a ticket because Mum and Dido, who's with us, already have their tickets. But I need to get mine and then we can go in. They keep ditching me. Let's walk off and don't tell me they're leaving. That's cool, guys. I'm not cool enough to be a part of your family. They've been texting each other all night going, we have to be in a vlog. It's the only reason I'm allowed here. They just wanted to be on it. Mum's got a good highlighter on.
Chanel bronzer.
Oh, Chanel bronzer. Bringing out the big guns. Were you trying to hop in it?
No, I was trying to get
you won't did it. So we're heading home now and we're trying to find our car. We're not too sure where we parked it. I say where we parked it, where Mum parked it. Yeah, I know, it was Commando. Okay. We hopped into an elevator and like Commando and his friends like literally just hopped in when we got to the level. So yeah, we had an elevator ride with Commando and there was a bit of banter and all of that. And they helped us find our car. So we're like basically besties now. And yeah, that's our celeb moment. So we found Tone Fitness apparel while we were there, which was the whole reason I wanted to go, because I really wanted to see their clothes and meet the people that run it because they're just awesome and I love what they do. They also had Jordan Simic, who was one of the girls from Top Model last year, and I got to meet her and say hello because she works with the brand, and she's so down to earth and just lovely person. Like, I couldn't get over how amazing she was, and just the whole brand in general, like, it's so incredible. So I bought some of their stuff and I can't wait to wear it. It's such good quality, like the feel of it is so soft and their designs, oh, I just can't say enough about it. Yeah, so that was probably the main thing. All the rest was kind of just walking around at the stalls, and then of course, you know, our little run-in with Commando. Yeah, but now we're just heading home. I feel like I haven't eaten all day, but we've eaten. I just need food 24/7. But yeah, that's pretty much been our day. Yeah, my arm's really tired, so I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna say goodnight now because we're pretty much just heading home and then to get ready for bed because I'm pretty tired. Does this have a light? Oh, it does. There we go. Lighting from all angles now. But yeah, so good night or good morning depending on when you're seeing this. But I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, lovelies.